Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error 0x8D050002 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet speed. Open this website fast.com and hit enter or hit the refresh button. It will show the speed of the internet here. The next solution is to disable any VPN or proxy. Now, as for third-party VPN software products, you will have to disable them individually. And as for the proxy, here's the procedure. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Go to the connections tab. Click on LAN settings. Make sure that automatically detect settings is selected and use a proxy server is unchecked. After that, reset the Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.